This is Janelle here and I'm back with another banger. Today's video we're going to be going and getting some volleyball reps, but since my last tryout they said that they were going to let me know what team I made on Monday or Tuesday, and today's Monday and I still haven't got like an email or whatever. So like I have to wait for tomorrow, and if I don't get an email tomorrow that means I didn't make a team. But for my other club that I had tried out for, a different one, I made 14 black, so I'm actually really happy. Guys, we are getting our food. We got some barbacoa to make our fajita thingies, our taco thingies, and then we're getting like a big old pack of tortillas. So yeah, we forgot to get an extra tortilla.
I got 12.
Hey guys, I am back home and I am done taking a shower, but now I'm gonna do a cleanup because yeah, I need to clean up because my room has been looking like a mess. Let me show you what it looked like in my area. This is what it's looking like. What the heck, bro? So we're gonna try to organize, get something done today because we cannot go the day like doing this nasty. Oh, there I have packages for Depop. I got like 3 different packages. But the plastic bag one, don't even worry about that because the hoodie didn't even fit inside of the bag. So that's why it's in a plastic bag. Why is my Bible on the freaking floor, yo? That is not okay. But let me show you guys. I added some lace to it to make it look cute. And then I made like a lace bookmark and I did it on the back as well. So cute. This right here is like what I use for working out and stretching. Some more socks. This is my purse I take everywhere. This is the purse my mama gifted to me. It's right here. I'm gonna use it tomorrow anyway for extra school. Anyway, this is my bonnet. I'm just leave it on my bed actually because I'm gonna use it whenever I go to sleep. But yeah, now we gotta clean up this dirty desk. Got a whole bunch of stuff going on inside these drawers, as you can see. But we're gonna move this thing out the way because it's just taking up space and it don't even look cute. So, is that aesthetic? No, it's not. I'm just gonna drink the rest of this water because we're not just gonna talk about the Kit Kat wrappers. This is like cortisone. Because like whenever I get mosquito bites, that's what helps, and also like it helps even out skin tone and like get off bumps and rashes. So yeah, get you some cortisone 10. Okay, this is probably the worst part of cleaning up. Y'all are gonna come all the way down here with me. Actually, I'm gonna bring you guys down a little bit lower. Crap under here. So much stuff. We got a notebook, tennis ball, cotton ball, and paper scraps, wire, paper scraps, a shirt, plastic scraps, put that up there, some more paper. Oh, these are my sister's drawings. Plastic, bottle cap, more plastic. Bring this to my trash bag with me. Easy. And then we gotta put this notebook where it belongs. Wow, so good. Awesome sauce. Finished cleaning up this area. Let me show y'all. Don't worry about the bed for a second. That's what the area looks like. Now I gotta clean up the bed. Hey y'all. Wait, this is gonna be my thumbnail. Hold on. I'm back. Let's go put this in the dirty clothes. Okay guys, so we're gonna clean up my sister's shelves because she doesn't know how to keep her own stuff clean. So yeah. We're gonna have some clothes for Depop with me, guys. I'll show you guys all the clothes I'm selling on Depop right now. So we got these ripped jeans. I honestly do not know what the inseam is. The girl asked me what the inseam is. Girl, how am I supposed to know the inseam? I'm not looking for it. She's not gonna get an answer. Sometimes I low-key don't want to give away the item at the end, and then like, yeah, like, or like I just don't have the time to go and get shipping labels. So yeah, if you never receive your order, that's probably why. I got this sweater that literally nobody has clicked on yet. I got this shirt, I'm selling this. I got a whole bunch of stuff in here. I'm selling this shirt. I still haven't put this up as a listing. Haven't put this one up. I actually haven't put this one up either. It's like a little tie top, like a tie shirt. I don't really know how to tie it or what it's called. Another plain black shirt. Some shorts right here are shorts. I think I already put this up for a listing. And then I have this Ariana Grande t-shirt. I have this long sleeve t-shirt and it's like a square top. Like this bikini looking top thing. And then I got these workout sets. We'll be selling this hoodie as well because I had sold my other one for like $4. Yeah, that's it. And this is already listed, so I don't have to list these yet. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's YouTube video. And if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and comment to let me know any other video ideas. So, bye, guys.